You're spending 6, 7, 8 hours a day on your phone, scrolling, checking notifications every 5 minutes. You want to stop, but you can't. Your iPhone has a feature that can turn it into a dumb phone. Strip away the distractions. Leave only the essentials. Let me show you. It's called Assistive Access. Apple designed it for people with cognitive disabilities, but it's perfect for anyone who wants a simpler phone. Giant buttons, limited apps, no distractions. Social media? Gone. Just calls, messages, and essentials. Here's how to set it up. You need iOS 17 or later. Open Settings. Scroll down to Accessibility. Tap on that. Scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see Assistive Access. Tap on it. Tap Setup Assistive Access. It shows you what this feature does. Tap Continue. It's associated with your Apple account. Tap Continue again. Now choose the appearance, row or grid. Row shows apps in a list. Grid shows big squares. I prefer row, it's cleaner. Select row, tap Continue. Now the important part. Selecting apps. At the top, apps optimized for assistive access. Phone, messages, camera, photos. Below that, all your other apps. This is where you decide what stays and what goes. No social media, no distracting apps, just essentials. Tap the plus icon to add apps. I'll add phone first. It asks who can call you. I'll set it to anyone. Tap Continue. Add messages. Same thing. Set to anyone. Continue. Add camera. It gives you camera modes. Photo, video, selfie. I'll add all of them. Continue. Add photos. Turn on pinch to zoom. Without this, you can't zoom in on photos. Continue. You can add more. Calendar, mail, maps. Whatever you actually need. But don't add Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. That defeats the whole point. The goal is to remove distractions, not bring them back. Only add apps you actually need. Once you're done, tap Continue. Now it shows you how things work. Emergency services. Triple-click the side button to call 911. Notifications appear as a badge. Just a dot that says New. No sounds, no pop-ups. Your phone isn't constantly buzzing for attention. Tap Continue. Now set a passcode. This is important. You need this to exit Assistive Access later. Don't forget it. Write it down if you have to. It's separate from your normal iPhone passcode. So even if someone knows that, they can't exit this without your Assistive Access passcode. I'll enter a passcode now. For this video, 1234, but use something more secure. Enter it, then confirm. It asks if you want to set up a recovery account in case you forget. You can do that if you want. I'll tap Not Now. Now it tells you how to exit. Triple-click the side button. Remember that. Tap Continue. Now tap Start using Assistive Access. Enter your passcode. Your iPhone will reboot. Takes a few seconds, and now you have a dumb phone. Look at this. Giant buttons, simple interface, no distractions. You have phone, messages, camera, photos, whatever apps you added, that's it. Nothing else. Let me show you what it's like. I'll tap into Messages. Giant back button at the top. Everything is simple, easy to read. You can send messages, but the whole interface is stripped down. Back out. Tap into Photos. You can see all your photos here. Pinch to zoom works, but again, everything is simple. No extra features, no complications. This is what a dumb phone looks like on your iPhone. So this is what your iPhone looks like now. Simple, clean, no distractions. Let me show you a few more things. I'll tap into Camera. You get your camera modes here. Photo, video, selfie, whatever you added during setup. The interface is basic, but it works. Take a photo, it goes. Straight to Photos. No editing tools, no filters, just the camera. Back out. Everything has this giant back button. You can't miss it. Let me show you the lock screen. I'll lock my phone. Look at this. If you have a new notification, it just says New. That's it. No preview, no sound, just the word New. You unlock your phone to see what it is. Unlock with Face ID or passcode. And you're back to your simple home screen. Now, how do you get out of this when you need to? Triple-click the side button. Like this, you get 3 options. Settings. This is basically your control center. Let me show you. You have to enter your passcode first. Now you're in. You can change text size, turn on airplane mode, switch to dark mode, adjust volume, adjust brightness. That's it. Your normal control center is completely gone. This is all you get. Back out. The second option is emergency. That's for calling 911. Pretty self-explanatory. The third option is exit Assistive Access. That's how you get back to your normal iPhone. Tap on that, enter your passcode, and your phone reboots. Takes a few seconds, and now you're back to normal. Once you've set up Assistive Access, you can go back and change things later. Go to Settings, Accessibility, scroll down to Assistive Access. Now that you've already set it up, you'll see all your settings here. Look, here are the apps you added. If you tap Manage Apps, you can add more apps or remove apps you don't want anymore. Same process as before. Just tap the plus icon or tap the minus to remove. You can change from row to grid. I have it set to row, but if I wanted grid instead, I'd just tap that. The appearance changes next time you start Assistive Access. You can change your wallpaper. Tap on Wallpaper, choose a photo from your library. Make it more personal if you want. There's a toggle to allow volume buttons. That's on by default, but you can turn it off if you don't want the side buttons to work. You can turn on silent mode, show battery level on the home screen, turn off notification badges completely if you want even fewer distractions. For the lock screen, you can show date and time. Show time in the status bar. All of that is customizable in here. And look, you can allow Siri. If you want Siri to work in Assistive Access, turn that on. Otherwise, Siri won't respond. You can also change your passcode here if you need to. Just tap Change Passcode. Enter your old one, then your new one. All of these settings are here for you to customize however you want. So that's Assistive Access. That's how you turn your iPhone into a dumb phone. No social media, no endless scrolling, no constant notifications. Just the basics. Calls, messages, camera, photos. Whatever you actually need. If you're serious about cutting down screen time, this is one of the most effective ways to do it. It's extreme, but it works. Your phone becomes a tool, not a distraction. Try it for a day. See how it feels. You might be surprised at how much mental space you get back when your phone isn't constantly pulling your attention. And if Assistive Access feels too extreme, I'll make another video showing you a better way to do this. A method that's less restrictive but still keeps you focused. So subscribe if you want to see that. If this video helped, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.